Good morning, guys. Back in another video. Just woke up. It's like 8 o'clock. I don't work today, so I have a free day today to do whatever I want. So today's gonna be my off day, just so I can get some stuff done. I got to pack to get ready to move back home. Just do some stuff in the clothing line, all that stuff. But right now I'm about to eat my breakfast, and I just got a shipment of Built Bars. I'll show you what I got. I think I got cookies and cream, coconut, and raspberry. I always get raspberry, it's my favorite. So I'll show a video. Code Inglehorn10 for 10% off of these Built Bars. They're really, really good protein bars. Taste really, really good. So yeah, I might just eat this breakfast, go do some cardio and abs at the gym, and there's gonna be more in store for you guys. So leave a like, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't. It really does help me. See you guys later. All right, guys, I did an hour of cardio and an ab workout. Came home and showered. Did some grocery shopping. I'm gonna cook you guys up a nice anabolic low-calorie meal. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. All right, so for today we're gonna make anabolic PB&J. So anabolic, once again, means low calorie, high protein. So it's basically just 3 ingredients. So with the PB&J, we're gonna have some sides. I'm gonna make like a little coffee protein shake smoothie, and then also some yogurt. So there can be like a full meal that you guys can try. But for the main course, the PB&J, it's really only 3 ingredients. So there's low-calorie bread. You've seen it on the channel before. I use it all the time. 45 calories per slice. We got some sugar-free strawberry preserve, strawberry jelly, same type of thing. And then we got some powdered peanut butter, PB Fit. So to show you the steps to make all this, step by step. All right, so we're gonna be making 2 sandwiches. So for the PB Fit, I'm gonna do 4 tablespoons. So 2 tablespoons per sandwich. I didn't bring my scale with me. Usually I put the scale because it says 16 grams per tablespoon, but I forgot it at home because I'm at my parents' house. So if you don't have a scale with you, it is better to weigh it instead of measuring it, but I don't have it with me, so I'm just gonna use 1 tablespoon. And I like to really pack it in so it's really as close to 1 tablespoon as possible. So I'm gonna do 4 tablespoons of this. All right, so here is the final product. So it looks like peanut butter, right? The same consistency of peanut butter. So I just put like literally just a dab of water, a little bit of water, because you don't want it to be too runny. So, and then I mix some vanilla in there too. It's like vanilla peanut butter, so it's gonna taste really, really good. So we got the PB Fit ready. Now I'm just gonna toast the bread and then start making the peanut butter and jelly. All right, so we got the bread toasting right now. While the bread is toasting, we're making our protein shake on the side. So what it is just like half a cup of this cold brew coffee, half a cup of this Fairlife milk, with 1 scoop of protein powder. Bucked up, you code Inglehorn20 for 20% off. This is a new flavor I got, peanut butter chocolate, pretty good flavor. And then just some ice and a little bit of the same vanilla thing. So I'm about to just blend this up while the bread toasts. All right, so we got the bread toasted right here, 4 pieces. So my girlfriend said she wants the jelly first. I really didn't grow up eating peanut butter jelly that often, to be honest, because I'm not a huge fan of jelly, but I've been craving peanut butter jelly lately. So I don't know which one goes first. So I asked her, and she wants the jelly first. So for the sugar-free jelly, it's 10 calories per tablespoon. I'm not going to really track it because you're not going to really use that much. So throw as much as you want on there. So let's hop into it. All right, so the jelly part is done. Now we're gonna hop into the peanut butter. So I did 2 tablespoons per piece of bread, so that's why I measured out. You can do more, like obviously this isn't a ton of peanut butter. You can do more because it is really low calorie. So per two tablespoons, it is 70 calories and 8 grams of protein. So this is only 140 calories and 16 grams of protein. So you can do more if you want, just I'm in a calorie limit, so I couldn't do that much, but yeah. Now we're just gonna get it and spread it on. You see how the consistency is just like peanut butter? So it is pretty cool they make low calorie peanut butter like this. And normal PB&J isn't unhealthy. Like it's not unhealthy. Just that normal peanut butter is high calorie, so like when you're cutting, it's hard to get in because you want to get a pretty good amount on it. So this is a good alternative. So there's 1 piece of bread. And then I'll put a little extra on there, but that's basically what it is right there. All right, so I got my sandwiches ready. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a normal PB&J. Tastes really, really good. So I actually did track 4 servings of the PB Fit. So I have some extra actually. I tracked some. So I'll put the macros on the screen just for the PB&J sandwiches, just for that. And I'll also show you the whole, after that, I'll show you the macros for the whole meal. So this is what the protein shake looks like. I had some low calorie whipped cream in there too. And it makes a lot too. So it has a whole glass and this super low calorie. And on the side, I'm also having these low calorie vanilla yogurt. So I'll put the macros on the screen once again, just for the sandwich. And then for everything super low calorie, super high protein. And it tastes really, really good. So I'm about to dig in. I'll see you guys later. All right, guys. So we ate it. We watched a movie. I'm actually pretty full. Like, it wasn't that much food, but like, it's really, really filling. I'm really, really full. Got a coffee because I haven't had my daily coffee today. I have a headache. It's probably why, because I haven't had a coffee yet. I had to just, me and my girlfriend probably gonna go on a walk real quick, and then I still need to get my last meal of the day, so I'll see you guys later. So me and my girlfriend tried to go to the beach to watch the sunset, but we got here way too late. The sun was already down. I don't even like the beach. I hate the beach, to be honest. That's why low-key I want to move out of San Diego, because I don't even use the benefits, but that's another topic for another video. But yeah, we're about to go get some food right now. We're gonna get the Habit. I unfortunately can't get a burger or anything. My girlfriend's gonna get a burger. I have to get a salad. I've never tried their salads before, so let's see how it is. I'll see you guys later. All right, guys, so what I ended up getting was a salad with some tuna and some chicken. I love the Habit's tuna. Usually I get their like tuna sandwich when I'm not cutting. So I love their tuna. So basically with just veggies and some protein. So I was able to fit in the sweet potato fries on the side, because I do love the Habit sweet potato fries too. So really healthy, and it really did hit the spot. Like sometimes when I'm cutting, it's hard to find meals that like I really love and hit the spot. That one did. Definitely gonna go back and get that. So yeah, just ate that. Me and girlfriend about to hang out for a little bit more. I actually got to spend a lot of time with my girlfriend today. It was nice. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. All right, guys, I just realized I forgot to record an outro last night. I knocked out last night. I'm super tired. Energy is super low right now. I just got done working out. I'm about to eat my post-workout meal. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna try to post one type of like healthy meal, healthy food video a week for you guys, because I know some of you guys like that and it is helpful for you guys. So I'll try that. I'm gonna keep banging these out, man. Please leave a like, please subscribe. It really does help me, man. I'm trying to do this shit for a living. Leave a like, leave a subscribe. It's not that hard. All my bathroom shits will be in the description. My clothing line will be in the description. All that, all your dreams, man.
No, they hate me, cause I'm a legend in the making. If that bitch with me, you know she caking. Curve that hoe, she Sally, so mistaken. My girl, she too bad, shorty, you just looking basic. Codeine, I'ma pour it up, 2 4